Today's top 15 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Changelog: what's new in Microsoft Edge 150 and later versions. Microsoft has released new versions of its Edge web browser, including version 150 and later, which feature updates, fixes, improvements, and new features. The company regularly updates the browser for Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Harbormasterd added to PyPI. Harbormasterd, a port management tool, has been added to PyPI, providing intelligent port management, automatic HTTPS certificates, and seamless DNS resolution for local development. It supports cross-platform development on Windows, macOS, and Linux, with features such as zero-config experience, smart port conflict detection, and live monitoring metrics. Get SSL native XComp for $10 at Plugin Boutique. Plugin Boutique offers solid-state Logic's SSL native XComp stereo compressor for $10, a $89 discount from its regular price of $99. The deal runs until July 13 and includes a free gift with purchase. Microsoft Edge 150 adds Google Sign-in and retires sidebar app policies. Microsoft released version 150 of its Edge browser, adding Google Sign-in capabilities and retiring sidebar app policies, including the removal of existing pinned apps. The update also marks the end of support for macOS 12 Monterey, with future updates requiring macOS 13 Ventura or newer to maintain browser functionality and security compliance on Apple hardware. Proximon 6.12.0. Proximon 6.12.0 is a high-performance macOS app that enables developers to view HTTP/HTTPS requests and responses from apps, domains, and mobile devices, with features including native support for Apple chip and multiple filters. The app also offers advanced debugging tools and automatic setup for backend development with Node.js, Ruby, and Python. Show-HN, Keyway. Control your Mac from the keyboard. Keyway allows users to control their Mac entirely from the keyboard, including clicking on elements in Electron apps and web views that other tools cannot access. The tool uses a combination of the Accessibility API and an on-device vision model to identify targets, and features multiple modes for different interactions, such as scrolling and window resizing. umap-metal added to PyPI. umap-metal has been added to PyPI. 5 cool things you probably didn't know your MacBook could do. Apple's MacBook features a range of lesser-known capabilities, including Sidecar, iPhone mirroring, and Stage Manager, which enhance its compatibility with other Apple devices. One notable feature allows seamless copying and pasting between an iPhone and Mac, streamlining workflow and productivity. Show-HN, iXT, macOS menu bar app that records what AI coding agents do. iXT is a macOS menu bar app that records the actions of AI coding agents on a machine, providing an after-the-fact record of approved sensitive actions. The tool can help detect potential security threats by logging and filtering AI agent activity, allowing users to review and verify what they have approved hours or days later. Fine-tuning language models on Apple Silicon with MLX. Apple has released an open-source framework called MLX, allowing users to fine-tune language models on their Apple Silicon devices locally without incurring cloud costs. The framework, combined with the companion package MLX-LM, enables text generation and fine-tuning of thousands of open models through a simple set of commands. Show-HN, Window Switcher. Better say map window switching for macOS. Window Switcher is a macOS utility that enables quick switching between multiple windows of the currently active application. It features customizable hotkeys for cycling through windows, reverse cycling, and an optional menu bar app with one-click update checks. Global Protect VPN Overview. How to use. Global Protect VPN is a business-focused virtual private network VPN solution from Palo Alto Networks, designed for endpoint users to remotely access internal resources and data. It features multi-factor authentication for secure login and is commonly used by schools and companies to protect employee browsing habits and identity. Microsoft Edge 150 adds Google account sign-in on Windows and macOS. Microsoft Edge 150 now allows users to sign in with a Google account on Windows and macOS, enabling access to features like simplified third-party website logins, data synchronization, and simultaneous use of Microsoft and Google account features. This feature is being gradually rolled out to all Edge users, with system administrators able to manage its availability using the non-Microsoft account sign-in enabled policy. Unilag begins Post-UTME July 27, warns candidates against malpractice. The University of Lagos Unilag will conduct its 2026-2027 Post-Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination Aptitude Test from July 27 to July 31, warning candidates against examination malpractice and guideline violations. Candidates must comply with strict instructions, using only laptops with inbuilt webcams and microphones, and avoid prohibited electronic devices to ensure a successful test. macOS California Adventure. Apple's macOS operating system has undergone changes, with version numbers no longer reflecting the year of release. The latest version is macOS 26, which recently released in beta form as version 26.6. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.